Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple yet effective security system from scratch. The first component I'll use is a buzzer. I'm placing a small nut underneath it so that it's slightly elevated from my workspace. This makes it easier to solder and keeps things neat. Next, I'll use a BC547 transistor, which will act as the main switching element in our circuit. I'll bend its emitter and collector pins at a 90-degree angle to make them align better with the buzzer's terminals. Now I'll apply a thin layer of solder on both pins of the buzzer to prepare them for connections. Then I'll solder the collector pin of the transistor directly to the negative pin of the buzzer. Here I have two resistors, a 100K ohm resistor and a 1K ohm resistor. I'll twist one pin of each resistor together, solder them securely, and trim the excess leads. This resistor combination will help control the transistor's base current. I'll now solder the joint of these resistors to the base pin of the transistor. Then I'll connect the remaining pin of the 100K ohm resistor to the positive pin of the buzzer. After that, I'll trim off the extra lead from the 1K ohm resistor to keep everything tidy. Next, I'll solder one end of a small piece of wire to the emitter pin of the transistor and the other end to the free pin of the 1K ohm resistor. Finally, I'll connect the positive terminal of a 9-volt battery clip to the positive pin of the buzzer, and the negative terminal of the battery clip to the emitter pin of the transistor. Now our security system circuit is ready. When I connect the 9-volt battery to the clip, nothing happens initially. The buzzer stays silent. But as soon as I cut the wire in the circuit, the buzzer starts sounding loudly, indicating a breach. This type of security circuit can be used in doors, lockers, windows, bike chains, or any setup where cutting a wire can indicate unauthorized access. It's a simple, low-cost way to add protection to your belongings.